for giving us toys. It has 6 posters, 1 headband, 1 foam amulet, 1 foil sticker, 1 gem sticker, 1 bulb and Olaf, 8 crayons, 2 stoppers, and 1 ink pad. So let's start opening the tube. Wow! I'm going to build Olaf. So, next I will show you how to make a nice headband. Like, So next, I'm going to color Elsa. Because she's my favorite. Because she's has powers. By the way, I was not able to show you how I made the necklace because I'm excited. It's pretty. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Mom Cat Life in Cali and Kuya Random and also Momzeemix. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.